Before we get started with the listen block, we first need to understand what a variable is. Variables are like boxes that can store values. Every time we store a value in a variable, the content of the box is emptied and the value is stored. In ActiveChat, variable names start with a $sign and have a value of undefined till you store any value. To illustrate this, let me make a variable and call it $variable. When created, it automatically has a value of undefined. We can manually store any value in the variable later. For example, if we store answer as the value, undefined is removed from the box and answer is stored in the box to change the value of variable to answer.